What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Chris Sanchez here at Poway High School, surrounded by all this beautiful nature. Like, even look, there's a bald eagle. I'm here to talk to you today to give you tips to pass the AP Biology AP test and get an easy 5. So make sure you like and subscribe to this video so I can get some of that good YouTube money, baby. And then let's get to it.
Is that Austin?
Tip number 1, do your reading guides. Better understanding, you understand the textbook better, get a 5 on the AP test.
Tip number dose, make Crispiels do drawings on the board. They honestly help so much. Like Betty B-cell was a true homie right there in the immune system, and then he also helps with like the Calvin cycle and the Krebs cycle. And his drawings are just so beautiful. Like Bob Ross got nothing on Crispiels.
You know this textbook, AP Bio? You don't need it. Crashcourse.tv.
And Bozeman Science. Link in the description.
And now, before we get to tip 4, a quick word from our sponsors.
This video is sponsored by Composting Bros. Composting Bros has a great Instagram profile that tells you how to compost well and to help the environment.
Alright, next tip, multiple choice. You can always eliminate 2, maybe 3 answers to find the best choice. Read the question carefully and it'll be easy to find the right answer, and clap some multiple choice cheeks. Next tip, make sure to bring all your previous science knowledge with you. Chemistry, biology, you thought you were going to use freshman biology again? Ha, ha, ha. Well, you are. So study up, Buttercup. I summon the powers of anime.
Oh! Anime power deactivate! Alright guys, real talk here. You're gonna get shafted on the test. A lot of them. So, if you see a 56% on your test, just make sure you do the test corrections. They really help you out, and it really builds up your grade, and probably one of the main reasons why I got an A in the class. So, just make sure you do the test corrections every time it gives you an opportunity. And yes. Next part. Iron Man superpower. Iron Man superpower deactivate. Alright guys, we're going to talk about our favorite moment of Mr. Crispiels. Should I go first? Alright, my favorite moment was when he gave us advice on how to marry the right person, because things can turn out wrong at the end. So yeah, I learned a lot about that.
I'll go next. You know, this one time he told us that our grades don't really matter, which is pretty sweet, because, you know, I still got an A in AP Bio, so it doesn't really matter, but, you know, helping out people that need it pretty well.
Alright, my favorite moment was probably when someone told him that he was an awful teacher, and he told us how he hates teaching biology and doesn't want to teach it anymore, and that was just really great.
Great lad.
Great guy, great guy.
Alright guys, so for this part, we're going to be talking about our favorite memories right here in AP Biology, and we're going to explain to you why Crispiels is such a great teacher. To start off, I could say that my favorite memory was going to the Birch Aquarium. It was a nice field trip. We learned a lot more about the aquatic life and all the different species and biodiversity, so that was pretty fun for me. What was fun about you guys?
I'll go first. After the AP test, you have nothing to do.
This is what we're doing right now.
Yeah. This project, we gotta work on this project.
Go on.
Alright, and then after that, you're just relaxing your last 2 weeks.
My favorite part of AP Bio gotta be the drawings on the board. Just absolutely majestic. I mean, Betty B-cell, beautiful lady.
The killer T-cell, he's a nice gangster. I love him. And yeah, Crispiels just does a lot of great diagrams. So, real talk here. Make sure you do the notes, because it's going to help you a lot to pass the AP exam, and definitely if you reach out to Crispiels, he's going to help you out, and you're going to get a 5.
Yeah, he's a great teacher. Teach you everything you need to know. Easy 5, easy college credit. There you go. Alright, thanks for watching our video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And I really want to thank you for liking the video, but really, you should be thanking yourselves, because now you're going to get a 5. And once again, make sure to subscribe. 20,000 retweets, and I'll bathe in peanut butter.